Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for Costco digital membership card. So the application might not be accessible due to security purposes. I'm going to show it how you can do it via your browser. So all you have to do is search for digital membership card and you will see digital membership card general FAQ by customerservice.costco.com. Now as you do that, scroll below and these are the steps that you should follow. First of all, you're going to have to simply make sure you are logged into your Costco account. And once you do that, you will see a card icon at the bottom of your screen somewhere here, and the login page will appear. You're going to have to follow the instructions on the login page, sign in with an existing Costco.com account. If you do not have an account, create one. And likewise, it says each digital membership card is tied to a specific Costco.com account. And all you have to do is verify your membership and you will be able to view your Costco digital membership card, and after successfully verifying your membership, digital membership card will appear on your screen. Just like so guys, these are the steps you should follow. Thank you for watching.